thought I was going to have to put my foot down then. I thought the old Honda Jazz was going to stop. So this bit in the middle is at weekends it's absolutely ram-packed. Why has that gone dark? So here we go, this might be the first problem with this. Well, there you go. There's the first time it shit its pants. Hey Cardo, battery status. Right, so phone's connected to the Cardo, and since I've turned the bike back on, the bike hasn't connected to my phone, and it hasn't connected to the Cardo either. So that's not working. I think there's got to be a certain sequence. I think you've got to let that bike pair, but then the Cardo's on channel 2, so it shouldn't be interfering with the bike connecting at all. I don't know what's going on there. I think it may well be a case of pull over, turn it all off, see if it connects then. Because 4 or 5 times when it was in my side garage, turned it on, everything connected perfectly. When we first came out this evening, turned it all on, everything connected perfectly. So I don't know why it's doing that, and it still hasn't connected. You see, I turned the bike off, the Pack Talk stayed connected to my phone because it's connected on channel 2, not through the bike. I'm going to have to pull over and have a fiddle because it's annoying me. I think because I turned it off and back on again so quickly, it didn't actually have a chance to cut off from it. Let's give it a go. So we'll sit there for a few minutes, let it disconnect properly. So we'll let it shut down properly. I'm not going to turn the Cardo off though, because that's connected to my phone. I want to see whether it will just reconnect to the bike even though it is still connected to the phone. So I'm going to turn that off. Nice backdrop to that garage, isn't it? The old sandstone wall. So hopefully that's given it enough time to shut down. So let's have a look. Now we'll know if it's going to play ball, because down here in a minute the Bluetooth sign will start flashing. We can have a look down in the there you go, with the Bluetooth, there you go. So it was purely that the bike hadn't shut down properly. Oh, bloody electronics, I tell you. So, go to maps. Now then, you probably sat there thinking, how do you watch a map when it's like that? But the beauty of it is, the minute you start moving, it detects you're moving. Watch it, there you go. It goes into landscape. So that little hiccup was purely because when I shut the bike down, I turned it off, everything hadn't actually shut down on the bike. Yes, the TFT was off, but it was still shutting stuff down in the background. Oh yeah, they've had the wheels off it, look. The wheels are gone. I bet half the dash is missing. Can I have my car back? You can have what's left of it. Right, thanks for coming along for the ride. It did work with one little hiccup, but we think we know why. I'll catch you in the next one, folks. Stay safe.